Before going to understand the straight lines now, we already learned something in what our previous class now. So let us what recall that, okay? So good afternoon all. Few came in the what? Yes, Suraj, Sakshi, Kirti, Brunda. Okay, thank you for joining the class now. Okay, we'll make some basics. Already you knew that how to find out the distance between 2 points. That first one, distance formula. That we tell that distance between two points. Say the points, say P having the coordinates x1 and y1, and Q the coordinates what x2 and y2, right? This will be given as what PQ is equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. You can write x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2 to the square means it is again positive, no question arise there. So I need not to get confused, okay? Then let us see second one, that section formula, right? There are three section formulae. This is plural, I'm writing formulas, formulae, okay? So E comes there. First one in that, so let me give a statement on that, okay? The point which is dividing got 2 points, the point R, say point R having the coordinates xy, dividing the 2 points, 2 points P, x1, y1 and Q, x2, y2 in the ratio, in the ratio m is to n. The first one, internally, when it is dividing internally the point, then its coordinates will be given as what? That is R, coordinates x and y. How will you know? That's simply m, y, sorry, I'm telling you. First x coordinate should write now, m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n. Again m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. This is what internally dividing. There is one more now. If it is dividing externally, let me show the diagram for this. Say that it is P and Q. Somewhere here your point R is there. So then the coordinates of point R will be given in this formula. X means this much, Y means this. Now we'll see if the point is not between the line, it is somewhere outside the line. That we call external. Second one, externally dividing. That is R x y is equal to m x2 minus n x1 by m minus n. Again m y2 minus n y1 divided by m minus n right? So let me show the diagram. Saying that it is P and Q, some river point is here now, say R. It is outside. Then it divides what? M into N. Suppose this is what? M from here to here, right? And say this is what? To here, N. In this ratio, this is dividing. See here also it is M and it is N. So in this way, the point R is dividing PQ, the 2 points, outside the what? The line, that's external. So what? In that time, the coordinates of R will be given mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, that is x coordinate. My2 minus ny1 divided by n minus n, that is y coordinate. All x for x coordinate, all y's for y coordinate, right? Okay. Many are waiting, let them welcome. Okay. Kushi joining. Okay. Hopefully you are understanding this too. And one more, third is there. If the point is at the middle point, then what could be the formula? Let's see. Third one, if R is the midpoint, then ratio will be equal. M is equal to N. Therefore, R, X, Y will be given simply the sum of X coordinate by 2. Similarly, sum of Y coordinates by RD. We learned these in 10th standard. However, simply for recapitulation purpose, basic, even though it is again useful, so need not to forget. Mathematics is always from first standard, not only first standard, from where you studied mathematics, from there to till whatever whichever course you take now, till the mathematics is same, no change at all. You have to keep memory of that. We'll go to the next third point. How we can find using coordinate geometry the area of a triangle. Third formulae, area of a triangle. Okay, that is if a triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3 is given, then area of triangle is equal to half summation modulus of what? X1 into bracket y2 minus y3. This here written summation, actually you can expand summation using what? Cyclic symmetry. That is expanding summation using cyclic symmetry is equal to half into bracket x1 into bracket y2 minus y1 plus summation means addition, this right now. X1 becomes x2, y2 becomes y3, y1 becomes y2, again x2 becomes what? X3, y3 becomes y1, y2 becomes y3. That is cyclic symmetry means like this. If x1 is there, next you go to what? X2. If x2 is there, you go to what? Next? X3. If x3 is 0, you will go to what? x1. Similarly, y1, y2. This is the way how cyclic symmetry changes. Right. Let us see the beginning of straight line with some definitions. We'll start with what? Inclination of a line. Second part I'm going to take now. The first definition is inclination of a line L. Okay. It is simply, it is the angle theta made by the L through positive x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Let me show the diagram how it looks now. So it may make the angle like this, or it may make the angle, this is what y-axis, and so here also it is x-axis. Sometimes it may make what, the line like this also, right? What, so it is no problem. Y, okay. So these two are what, the angles created by a line. So that line is what, standing on what, x-axis, on the positive direction of x-axis. Here it is, it looks like what, obtuse angle. It is looking like what here, acute angle, right? Okay. Yes. Now we got what is inclination. Now what is slope of a line? Let's slope of a line. It is tan theta given as m is equal to tan theta, where m is called slope of a line, of the line, whichever line you can take. Here let us take the node now. First one, slope of x-axis is 0. Reason, m is equal to tan theta, nothing but tan 0 is equal to 0. Similarly, second one, slope of y-axis is infinity, means not defined, not defined. Reason, m is equal to tan theta, theta is 90 degree, then it is infinity, right? Or else, when it is 90 degree, your line will be parallel to y-axis. When it is 0 degree, your line will be parallel to what? X-axis. Now we got slope of a line. Let's take what? Slope of a line when a line is passing through 2 points. Slope of a line passing through 2 points. We'll take what two cases in this. Case 1, when theta is acute. Let me draw the diagram to make you understand this. So this is y-axis, this is what x-axis. Think that there is a line like this, right? Here the point P means it has got the coordinates x1, y1. Okay. Here the point Q, it has got the coordinates what x2, y2. Now we'll make some construction. From Q, I'll draw a perpendicular line to what? X-axis, 90 degrees. Right now. So from P also I'll put a perpendicular to reach what? This QR at M. This is 90 degree and this is, suppose it is angle theta and this is also angle theta region, both are corresponding. Angle O and this angle P are corresponding angles, they are equal. The reason, your PM and your OX are parallel and your line L is a transversal. When a transversal intersect two parallel lines, thus obtained corresponding angles are equal, and the sum of interior is equal to 180 degree, the even sum of the exterior is equal to 180 degree, and vertically opposite angles are equal, and alternative angles are equal. So these are the what few features we have noticed when a transversal cut two parallel lines. So what if it is theta, then it's also theta. Let us see in triangle, what is that now? PMQ, PMQ. So your theta means, okay, theta is equal to like tan theta. So tan theta is equal to what? Opposite by adjacent side. Opposite is what? QM. Adjacent is what? PM. So but QM means what? Let me find the coordinates for M also. Quite easy to find out. See, from origin to till this, it is how much now? It is totally x2, right? No, x2 it is. So then it is x2. Okay. Again, from R to M, if you measure on y-axis, now it is how much? No, y1 it is. It is equal to this. It is equal to this because this is p1. It is y1, right? Then I can add qm is equal to nothing but rq minus rm. See, your qm is equal to rq minus rm. Then this remains, right? Now, similarly, if you come to this now, pm, nothing but it is from here you can make it now. So it is nothing but OR minus OP1, OR minus OP1. If you remove this much portion with this portion now, then this will be remained, right? That is PM. Then you write it now that RQ, search RQ, RQ. Where is RQ? RQ. This much portion. How much it is? Y2. That is Y2. RM, search RM, it is this much portion, nothing but it is Y1, Y1. OR, from here to here, it is how much now? X2 it is, X2. And OP1, this much one, it is X1, X1. Therefore, M is equal to, tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. It is the slope of a line in terms of what? The coordinates when it is joining 2 points or a line passing through 2 points. Then that line slope can be given in terms of what? Their coordinates ratios. You get same answer, right? Okay. Let us see case 2. Case 2. Okay. Again, I will draw the same diagram. Same diagram take now. Right? This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This time your line goes like this. Okay. So this is P having x1, y1. This is Q, x2, y2. Right? And from Q I will draw vertical line. This which is what? R. Let me call this is O, this P, Q, R. Yes, I will call this. Okay. And from here I'll put a perpendicular. Let me call this as M. Right. If this is the angle theta, it is obtuse. Case 2, when theta is obtuse. Right? Okay. Now, if it is theta, then how much it is? So this is a straight angle in that theta is known to us that if you remove this theta in straight angles, it means 180 minus theta, this gives, right? This is 180 minus theta. And these are what? The corresponding angles. Then angle P is also what? It's also what? The 180 minus theta. Okay. Now, in a triangle PMQ or MPQ, okay. Your P angle P means MPQ is equal to how much? 180 minus theta. Then apply tan for this, tan MPQ. What happens now? That is tan 180 minus theta. Tan 180 minus theta means minus tan theta. But according to you, here in this triangle, MPQ, tan theta means that is opposite by adjacent, that is MQ by MP, right? But it is given as minus here, so I'll write what minus 1. I can rewrite that in different sense also. Let's see now how I can write it. That nothing but MQ divided by minus MP, I can write. MQ means what? MQ, nothing but RQ minus RM. That is RQ minus RM. Right? MP means what? Such MP. You can make a dot line here. Right? You can call it T. This much is MP. Then OT minus OR it is. OT minus OR. Nothing but it is MP. But M, very easy to find M. What is that now? So this much it is what? Y1. Okay, Y1 it is. But this much means what it is? X2 it is. X2. Finished. RQ, such RQ. This big, right? Nothing but this much means Y2 it is. Y2. Here minus, I don't know. RM this much, it's Y1 divided by minus of OT. From here to here, it is how much it is? X1 minus OR. From here to here, it is only X2 it is, right now. Then Y2 minus Y1 I'll keep. Minus of this I can convert what? Minus X1 plus X2. That plus X2 minus X1 it is. Again it is same. That is tan theta is equal to, you get the same answer. Let me call this as 2. So therefore, if theta is acute or obtuse, the slope of the line is same. Tan theta, nothing but m is equal to tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this, we have got the proof for this, that always whenever line passing through 2 points, then its slope can be given in terms of what? Those points coordinates ratio. Taking the coordinates of those points only, I have given the ratio and I got what? Slope of the line. Okay. So I hope this is enough. Tomorrow we'll see the rest of the what concept, angle between two lines, that we'll learn in the next class. Okay. Till then, let's see. Let us say bye. Thank you. Hoping you are all listening. Any response?